Hey. Ah, hi. How you doing?
She hasn't stopped crying at night yet, but she certainly has gotten the day into a better shape.
Yes, she has. Can you give me a smile? Can you give the camera a smile? Hi. Hi. She's just fascinated with me.
I never slept for like 10 minutes last night.
Yes? Did I lose you? Yep, I did. Oh, I didn't like that. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You can blame it on me.
Yeah.
So cute.
Wicked, speak. Speak. Wicked. Wicked up.
Sabrina and Wicket. They get along pretty well.
What did Meerkat say?
For the record, we do know meerkats don't actually say meow.
What did Meerkat say? Meow.
Actually, Sabrina probably has it more correct.